Greetings. The Duchess of Denominators, the Honorable Raymond Show, also known as Ray Show, and the Big Y asked me to make this video. I thank them for asking me to do this. And our question is, why does cross multiplication work? And here we have a proportion, A divided by B equals C divided by D. And we've learned to solve such proportions by cross multiplying, which gives us A times D equals B times C. But why does cross multiplication work? Well, that's a really good question. And let's look at it. Here is what we're going to do here. What will happen if we multiply both sides of this equation up here by B times D? B times D is the product of the denominators. And let's see what happens. Well, step one, I've just rewritten the proportion. And in step two, we've multiplied both sides by B times D. And let's see what that gets us. Going over to step three, we can see, well, we've canceled the denominator on this side. B divided by B is 1. And on the right-hand side of the equation, we've got D divided by D, which is also 1. So we've canceled both denominators. And what are we left with? We're left with D times A equals C times B. There we are. Those ones don't really matter here in the denominators. dA equals CB. Aha! Well, by the commutative property, we can just change the order and we get A times D equals B times C, which is just what we get by cross multiplying. So cross multiplying is a shortcut, but it's really important to understand why, because this technique of canceling denominators in equations comes up over and over again further on in math. So learn how to do this. You'll have to do it with much more complicated problems, and it's really nice to understand why. So I thank the Big Y for bringing up this important question. And have a great day. Math is awesome.